Sometimes love looks expensive, and sometimes it starts with paper towels. For today's DIY, I picked up a pack of paper towels from Dollar Tree and paired it with a wooden round. First, I removed the string from the wooden round so I could work with a clean surface. Then, I painted the entire round white. This step is important because it really brings out the texture and beauty of the paper towel once it's added. After painting, I let it dry completely. Once the white paint was dry, I moved on to the center of the board. I painted it in a checkered pattern using pink, purple, and aqua green. Soft, playful colors that feel perfect for Valentine's Day. After that, I let everything dry again. Next came the fun part. I applied Mod Podge to the top section of the board and carefully laid the paper towel over it, gently smoothing it out so the texture stayed beautiful and wrinkle-free. After finishing the top, I repeated the same exact steps for the bottom of the board. And just like that, simple Dollar Tree items turned into something meaningful, soft, and full of love. Love doesn't always show up wrapped in roses. Sometimes it arrives plain, quiet, almost invisible, like paper towels sitting on a shelf, useful but never chosen first. She had been overlooked before, not because she lacked beauty, but because the world only notices what shines quickly. And she learned early that real love doesn't rush, it waits. When she met him, there were no fireworks, no dramatic promises, just conversations that felt safe, silence that didn't need explaining, an effort that showed up without being asked. At first, she didn't trust it, because love, when you've been hurt, feels suspicious when it's gentle. She tested it the way people do when they're afraid, by pulling back, by watching, by waiting to see if he'd leave when things got hard. But he stayed, not loudly, not dramatically, just consistently. And slowly, she realized something. Love isn't about being flashy, it's about being intentional. Every moment they shared added a layer. Patience over pride, understanding over ego, effort over excuses. Kind of like creating something beautiful from simple materials. You don't rush it, you prepare the base, you let it dry, you build on it carefully. And one day, you step back and realize this thing you almost ignored is now something you cherish. Let me ask you something. Have you ever underestimated love because it didn't arrive the way you expected? Tell me in the comments. Do you believe love grows over time? Or should it feel instant? She learned that love doesn't shout, it whispers. It shows up on ordinary days. It holds space when words fail. It chooses you even when you're quiet, tired, or unsure. And that kind of love changes how you see everything. You stop chasing loud affection. You stop begging for attention. You start valuing effort. Because love, real love, is built, not bought. If this story touched you, tap the like button so I know I'm not alone in this feeling. Share this with someone who believes love doesn't have to be perfect to be real. And subscribe if you love meaningful crafts mixed with real life reflections. Because sometimes the most beautiful things and the deepest loves start with what everyone else overlooks. As you look at the finished piece, take a moment, not just to see it, but to feel it. Because this isn't just paper towels and paint. It's patience, it's care, it's love, layered gently over time. Every time you pass it, let it remind you that beautiful things don't have to be expensive, and love doesn't have to be loud to be real. Thank you for creating with me today. Until next time, keep turning simple things into something meaningful.